In today's video, we're going to be installing this new low center of gravity battery tray from BowHouse RC, so stay tuned. So before I start today's video, I just wanted to let you guys know a couple of things. When we hit the 4,000 subscribers, we're doing a DX5 rugged giveaway. So as soon as the channel hits 4,000, I'll be making a separate video on how you can win that. Also, I launched channel memberships. I've had it going for a little bit now. I got 2 different tiers. I would recommend the second tier because you can get these stickers and this air freshener plus access to all my live streams. So trying to do more live streams, have more fun on there. The best way to do that is to not monetize them and just put them on, because I heard they kind of kill your channel. So if you want to get your hands on these new stickers and an air freshener, you can now become a channel member, and that would be the best way for you to help out the channel, plus get some merch. But let's get into today's video. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is doing well. Got a new item in today for the Losi Lmt, so I'm super excited about it. I was watching someone's live stream. I want to say it was Operation 11 Charlie, and he had the BowHouse guy on. I forget what his name was. I'm really bad with names, sorry. But they were talking about all their products, and they showed this low center of gravity battery tray for the Losi Lmt. So I quickly went over to their website and actually had to pre-order it. It wasn't out yet, but it was only like a few days away. So I went ahead, I pre-ordered it, and it actually showed up super quick. I was really surprised when I got it in the mail today. But let's just bust this open real quick and take a look at it before we put it in the truck. I'm just gonna rip it open. Old school, baby. Okay, I got it. Whew. Good bag, Jesus. All right, so here it is. Boom. Not really sure what it is, but it's actually just I don't know what kind of material this is. It's definitely some sort of metal, so it's not like a 3D printed plastic piece, which is good for this truck. You know, I don't think a 3D printed piece, I mean, maybe some, but yeah, that's what it looks like. Really simple, and they did include a nice strap, and their straps are really nice too, so that is really nice. So I'm assuming the strap's just going to go through here, so I might have to put it on before we install it in the truck, not sure. And I guess the way it goes in, because I did see a video on this, oh, see, look at the screws are separate part of the bag. That's cool. You don't have to worry about losing them so much. So they did include the hardware, which is nice. Alright, I'm going to need some scissors. I don't know where they are. But when I get to the install, I'll open it up. But yeah, looks like a nice piece. But let's just go ahead, start ripping out the old one and putting in the new one. And see how it comes together. And we'll be able to see exactly the height of the battery as it sits with the old tray first, and then we'll put that tray in and we'll take another look. Okay, so here is a look at how it sits currently in the truck. You can basically see that that is definitely the highest part of the vehicle, pretty much. I mean, you know, obviously some of the chassis sticks up, but it seems to be above the ESC, the motor and everything. So dropping that down in there might help a little bit with rollovers and stuff. I'm not expecting a giant performance boost, but anything you can do to try to get the weight of that battery low is good, and it's not a very expensive piece. So let's get this thing torn out and put this new tray in there. Okay, so here's the tray all in there. It's going to line up with the front header, and you're going to use the cap head screw, this one right here, and that one will fit right in there. And then you just screw it in, and then you're going to want to take the other ones and go from the inside like so, and just slide it through here and put a nut on the other side. Also, you're going to want to put the strap in too before you get the tray in there. Otherwise, it's not going to fit. That's the only thing I don't like is the strap is really tight in there and you can't really adjust it much. It's sitting up right against the frame there, but it's going to work. It's not going to be a problem. So I'm going to go ahead, get those last 2 screws in, and then I'll bring it back. Alright, so I got it all in. It's kind of a pain, and the straps are very tight up against the chassis. I'm hoping that my chassis isn't bent right here in or anything. I don't see a reason it would be, but you can't really adjust your strap at all the way it's in there because like it's wedged in there. So I kind of don't like that. I wish that maybe they just made that piece just a tiny bit different right there. I don't think I'm missing anything. I mean, that's where the strap goes. You can see it's just wedged right in there. So I'm not really a fan of that, but it looks really good. So let's throw the battery in. So I'm going to go a little, no. I'll go like this. Boom. So there's the battery. And put the strap through. And see, now I can't really get to where I want, but that should hold it in. That's good. So look at how much lower it sits in there. That is quite a bit lower. Holy crap. So the other one came all the way up across here. Now I'm sitting down in between the tray. The tray's good size. You're not going to be able to get, you know, too many big batteries in there, but this piece right here, if you have a thicker one, might become a problem with clearance. Well, I pushed it all the way forward, but these are the batteries I use. I like to run smaller batteries anyway, so I don't run into those problems. I got to be a little bit careful so this doesn't get on the heat of the motor. But install was really easy. It's just a little bit of a pain getting everything lined up. You just have to kind of wedge it in there. Nothing too hard. Well, alright guys, that's going to wrap it up on the install for this battery tray. Overall, the piece is really nice, and I'm excited to get out there and test it and see if I can feel a difference. That battery is definitely sitting nice and low now, so hopefully it will help with some of that top heaviness, and we'll have to see what it can do. But until then, thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.